Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Together Canada. In this video, Kaylin will be solving questions 1 to 4 from the 2024 AMC 10B. She'll walk through her solutions step by step, sharing her thought process and strategies along the way. Let's get started.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to be going through the 2024 AMC 10B. So starting from problem 1, in a long line of people arranged left to right, the 1013th person from the left is also the 1010th person from the right. How many people are in the line? So we can sort of draw this situation out. So let's say that this is our desired person. And let's say that this direction is right and this direction is left. So we know that the person is 1013th from the left, which means that there are 1012 people in that line. And we know that the person is also 1010th person from the right, which means that there are 1009 people to the right of the person. So this person counts for one person in the line, and there are a total of 1012 plus 1 plus 1009. So this is equal to 2022, so our answer is B. Okay. Problem 2. What is 10 factorial minus 7 factorial times 6 factorial? So, if you don't know, a factorial, so n factorial is basically n times n minus 1 all the way to 1. So over here, 10 factorial is equal to 10 times 9 times a all the way to 2 times 1. So we can rewrite 10 factorial as 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times ... times 2 times 1. And this half, or not half, but this part is 7 factorial. And this part is 720. And over here we see that this is 720 times 7 factorial, and 720 is 6 factorial. So 10 factorial is equal to 6 factorial times 7 factorial. So 10 factorial minus 7 factorial times 6 factorial is equal to B, which is 0. And just to note, it's a good idea to have the smaller factorials memorized, so it's easier to see in these instances that 720 is equal to 6 factorial. Okay, moving on. Problem 3. For how many integer values of x is the absolute value of 2x less than or equal to 7 pi? So given this restriction, this is also equal to negative 7 pi is less than or equal to 2x is less than or equal to 7 pi. And we know that pi is approximately 3.14, so this is around 21.98-ish, and this is around negative 21.98-ish. So that means that 2x is between negative 21.98 and 21.98, so x is equal to negative 10, negative 9, all the way to positive 9, positive 10. And we see that 11 doesn't work because 11 times 2 is 22, which is greater than 7 pi. So over here we have the integers negative 10 to 10, which is 21 integer values. So our answer is E. Okay. Question 4. Balls numbered 1, 2, and 3, etc. are deposited into 5 bins labeled A, B, C, D, and E using the following procedure. Ball 1 is deposited in bin A, and balls 2 and 3 are deposited in bin B. The next 3 are deposited in bin C, the next 4 in bin D, and so on, cycling back to bin A after balls are deposited in bin E. So they gave you an example. So balls number 22 to 28 are deposited in bin B at step 7. So we want to figure out in which ball is ball 2024 deposited. Okay. So basically in this question the pattern is 1 ball and then 2 balls, 3 balls, 4 balls, all the way to n balls for the nth time that you're depositing. So this is basically the triangular numbers, which are 1, 3, 6, 10, all the way to the nth triangular number is n times n plus 1 over 2. And how this relates to our question is, so the first ball is deposited, and then after that, the third ball is the last one deposited into bin B, and then I'm gonna write that down. And then ball number 6 is the last one deposited into bin C, etc. So we want to find which bin ball 2024 is deposited into. So we want to find which two triangular numbers 2024 is between. So I guess we can start testing values. So usually, if you don't have this memorized, you should start from the 60s to the 70s. So over here, we're just gonna try out different values, I guess. So let's look at the 63rd triangular number, where basically n is equal to 63. So n times n plus 1 over 2 is equal to 63 times 64 over 2, which is equal to 63 times 32. And we're gonna multiply that, which is 126,189. So 2016. So this is the 63rd triangular number. And then when n is equal to 64, I'm gonna delete this part. Okay, let's delete this. So when n is equal to 64, the 64th triangular number is equal to 2016 plus 64, which is 2080. So we see that 2016 is less than 2024 is less than 2080. So this means that the 2024th ball is deposited during the 64th deposit, because that's the upper bound that we need. So there are 5 bins, so the 64th deposit is basically just 64 mod 5. So this is equal to 4, which is D. Okay.
That's it for the first few questions of the 2024 AMC 10B. Thanks for following along with Kaylin's solutions. Be sure to check out the next part where the problems get a little bit more challenging and subscribe so you don't miss any videos.